General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.4.1 Disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
All right, let's do the work. So Q2, April, week 1. It's Wednesday. Let's knock out this midweek. I was looking for a Wednesday midweek reversal. I still think that's what's going to happen. This update, like we so far from this Tuesday low created in Asia. This is possibly an anchor. We reached 50% of Monday from last week. Monday from last week is still untapped. I believe this is 50% of Monday. Here's where we stopped. And we got the 200 right up here. We kind of closed towards the high. So Thursday we could wick and then drop down. We don't have the market open on Friday. It's Good Friday. Tuesday low should be safe because it's a short week due to Good Friday. You know what's interesting is like the real Easter days, not the Easter days that they put. It's interesting. Weekly buys template. Just look at the weekly candle. We can finish bullish. Still week will finish bullish. No shift in framework here, right? I wouldn't say this week one, considering what's going on in the market. I can't form fit a hit rate in subpar wait and see conditions. Case studies, nah, yeah, definitely that. Time frame context review, time bias alignment. It is week one. Actually, day one. Very interesting perspective because we have a flat bottom. We're going back down. Week one, day one, creating the Trudest move for the start of the monthly delivery. Expansion mitigation signals. Expansion protocol now. Protocol. Weekly, we snatched previous week's low liquidity. Now, after taking previous week's low, decision quality, very high. So we only looking for the good stuff. Narrative framework accuracy, waiting on Trump to save the world while everybody watches. That's what's going on. Trump told him to go get their own oil. Like, hey, I don't even need that. Y'all go get it. It's crazy. Experiences is fair tag. Being patient. Outgrowing the illusion that activity is learning. Case study, vol reference. It's nothing interesting, really. For one, April Fools. Somebody should have did an April Fools joke. Like, they outgrowing the April Fools jokes, and I need for people to be more childish. Let's take a look at the week. That's target hit from this extension from yesterday. Asia built the base, London rallied. London rallied, retested Asia. Kind of got the three drops pattern feel going here. It's not New York reversals. This is really weird. This is not a classic daily profile. So we can say it's expansion. Though it's very, very little expansion. Let's look at the daily candle. Really give it to him. It's a flat bottom on the daily too. So expansion. It's just the ugly expansion. South sideline. Confidence level. It's medium. Just was slow. Anchor point confirmed. No. Could be Tuesday, but we didn't retest it. Is expansion plan out? Yes. Terminus could have been hit today. The delivery. No engage. NASDAQ. M15. Price rallies, but delivery is tacky. This is not a new universal. It's not. I mean, you can probably say this was OTE, but I say that's form fitting. Cause we don't got no sweep. OTE is supposed to have no classic daily profile. Let me take this off since that was the target. Yes, we wanted an idea to form here. This is still. Oh snap! Okay, there you go. I still like this. It's a good retracement objective. We reached this, but we don't really have anything solid to say, okay, This is bearish. We didn't close below. So the way this is kind of set up is we can come sweep this Asia low and then continue higher. And it just be and it just be no sales. But closing below, maybe retracing in London, like closing below here and retracing, I'm okay to sell that. Buying, I wouldn't want to buy unless we sweep news candle, but really sweep Asia. Sales will be above daily high. Actually, I can sell this high. Don't have to get the daily. This order block should hold. We'll delete this. There's too much going on. We'll delete this too. Because that's 4. Could get a reaction here. It's not. Price is slowing down. Then we wait for Trump tonight. I like sales from the order block. Order buys under Asia low. Let's go here. Asia low is the draw. Flat bottom on the daily. Looking for sales. For sales. Ooh. From the daily fair value gap. Let's watch. Buys to Monday high from last week. We could do that. Come down overnight or whenever. Here and then retrace. It's kind of messy here too. Let's see if it was cleaner though. So here, pop, nope. It's just as choppy. Not a very clean day. Like we said, after a large range, spirit chop. So we saved mental capital. Never got the idea down here, but I still like that area as a target. Mm. Spot doesn't look as bearish. It's NASDAQ. Based on the last push down. Could be setting up for one more stop line and a sharp reversal at the 200 SMA. I think a lot depends on Trump tonight and Iran war statements. Yeah, tracements here. Let's delete this. We'll keep that. Just in case. A lot of people We're going to buy from that gap. This is truly a small reversal. That daily fair value gap should hold like an electric fence. For real. Let's get the stocks. .30-minute chart. We at the target. I still want to see us lower. And where is this closing price? And where is this open price? Okay. Very, very small range day. And we'll delete this. You expect some type of expansion after this. AMD. It's not a reversal. After consolidation is expansion. Good news. Close the update. Let's make sure. We hope we did. We know exactly. AMD continuation. Makes sense. Higher prices. Yeah, this definitely is continuing. But far away from here. Structural, we are bullish. Trump would have to say something the market don't like to reprice lower this week. trade day. Price choppy. The large range day. $80 real low. You can tell it's gonna have to wait forever. Take the bullets. More dynamic price action. And what appearing at a level outside of overnight range. With the price deliver or chop. Reason to reinforce my instinct. Sometimes you just be guessing. I'll be guessing. If next thing for the summer day, pick your shots. Did the framework play out? I'm not one expecting that. Do we learn about pattern narrative on a cell phone? Stick to the rules, stick to the basics. These rules keeping us out of mess. Watch for tomorrow. Let's see what it is, because it's not. I think NFP come out Friday, even though the market closed. Well, I know it do. Let me see. Forex Factory. 8:30 unemployment. Cool. All right, that's that on that. Have a good day. Peace.